Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the hardware and current settings. First, physically reset the cable and power. A loose HDMI or display port often causes misdetection. Next, identify the monitor's native resolution and refresh rate from the label or manual so you have target values. Open the operating system's display settings and record current resolution and scaling. Once done, restart the Display Settings app and keep the monitor's spec handy. You'll use it to set exact values in the next step. Now you update drivers and apply the correct output parameters. You should install the latest GPU driver, then reboot. Updated drivers fix detection errors. After reboot, open the System Display dialog and choose the monitor's native resolution and matching refresh rate. If the option is missing, open the GPU control panel and create a custom resolution with the monitor's timing values. Make sure scaling is set to 100% or the recommended percent. Once configured, test with a full-screen image to verify pixel-perfect output before finalizing. Finish by validating the result and having a fallback plan. You should confirm the monitor's on-screen display shows the expected input and native mode. This proves the monitor sees the correct signal. If artifacts or wrong resolution persist, swap the cable or port and test with another computer to isolate the monitor versus PC. If software changes cause the problem, roll back or reinstall the GPU driver. As a last step, reset the monitor to factory defaults. This often clears custom modes and resolves lingering resolution conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.